Plant FAQs, Ceratopteris thalictroides, water sprite. Ceratopteris thalictroides, your guide to the water sprite. Hi, Ferb here, and I'm a devoted aquascapist. Today, we're diving deep, well, not that deep, into the fascinating world of Ceratopteris thalictroides, also known as the water sprite. This underwater fern is a popular choice for aquariums, and for good reason. But before you rush out and grab one, let's explore everything you need to know about this unique plant. Ceratopteris thalictroides is a fern species that thrives in both aquatic and terrestrial environments. In the aquarium hobby, it's known for its delicate, feathery fronds that add a touch of elegance and movement to your underwater world. This fast-growing plant can reach up to 30 centimeters in height and width, making it a great choice for both background planting and creating a focal point. Is Ceratopteris thalictroides easy to care for? Absolutely. Water Sprite is a low-maintenance plant that's perfect for beginners. It thrives in a wide range of water parameters, making it adaptable to most aquarium setups. Here's the quick and easy on its care. Lighting. Moderate lighting is ideal. While it can tolerate lower light, growth might be slower. Water conditions. Prefers slightly acidic to neutral water, pH 6.0 to 7.5, and soft to moderately hard water, pH 5 to 19. Temperature. Adapts well to a range of temperatures, 20 to 28 degrees Celsius. Substrate. Doesn't necessarily need planting. It can be rooted loosely in the substrate or allowed to float freely. Fertilization. Not essential, but occasional CO2 supplementation can boost growth. How does Ceratopteris thalictroides reproduce? Unlike most aquarium plants, Water Sprite reproduces asexually through the formation of plantlets on its older fronds. These tiny plantlets eventually detach and grow into new individuals. This rapid reproduction allows for easy propagation within your tank. Trimming and maintenance. Water Sprite is a fast grower, so regular trimming is necessary to maintain its shape and prevent it from taking over your tank. Simply pinch off any overgrown leaves or stems. The removed portions can be replanted or discarded. Benefits of keeping Ceratopteris thalictroides. There are several reasons why aquascapists love Water Sprite. Fast-growing. Provides a quick and easy way to fill in empty spaces in your tank. Water quality improvement. Helps absorb excess nutrients, contributing to a healthier aquarium environment. Breeding haven. Provides hiding spots and spawning grounds for fish fry. Oxygenation. Increases oxygen levels in the tank through photosynthesis. Versatility. Can be planted in the substrate, allowed to float freely, or even attached to driftwood or rocks. Is Ceratopteris thalictroides a good choice for my tank? Water Sprite is an excellent addition to most aquariums, especially for beginners. Here are some things to consider. Tank size. While it can be trimmed, this plant can get quite large. It's best suited for tanks that are at least 40 liters, 10 gallons, in size. Fish compatibility. Generally safe for fish, but some herbivores might nibble on the leaves. Aesthetics. Consider the overall design of your tank. The feathery fronds add a soft, natural touch. Ceratopteris thalictroides versus other popular aquarium ferns. Water Sprite isn't the only aquatic fern out there. Here's a quick comparison with two other commonly kept species. Java fern, Microsorhum terapus, slower growing than Water Sprite, with broader, more robust leaves. Prefers to be attached to driftwood or rocks. Water clover, Marsilea quadrifolia, ground cover plant, with four-lobed clover-shaped leaves. Requires moderate to high light and prefers cooler temperatures. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Conclusion. Ceratopteris thalictroides is a beautiful, easy-to-care-for plant that offers numerous benefits for your aquarium. With its rapid growth, stunning appearance, and ability to improve water quality, Water Sprite is a true asset for any aquascapist. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that adds a touch of elegance to your underwater world, look no further than the Water Sprite.